think we need to be going that way. So I don't know why he told me to come over here. It seems like the buses going to Santos are going that way. There's a 728 bus right there.
Going to the beach.
A bus to the metro, metro to the beach. Should take about 45 minutes. We'll try this out. And hopefully we have a nice little beach day because everyone's a little tired today from the last couple days. So, could be good. We'll see.
Hey, check out our cool key for Lisbon. Are you ready?
I am. Let's go.
I'm going to the beach and I'm so excited. Bye-bye.
And that's not our bus.
Oh, it's not.
And that's not our bus.
No, it's not.
That's not it either. You think Dad's gonna get us there?
No.
What do you think the odds of Dad getting us on the right bus are?
2 to 10.
2? 2 out of 10?
Yeah.
You don't think we're gonna end up in the right spot? We won't tell him. Do you think Dad's gonna get us in the right spot?
Yeah.
You do? You're gonna be his #1 girl after saying that. He's trying to figure out the current bus system. Let's see what happens.
Is this the beach bus?
Is that it?
No.
We need to find a different way to the beach because that was the wrong bus.
I guess we'll just walk to the...
We'll just walk to the beach. I think we finally got the kids to sleep. It's been a long day.
It's been a very long 3 days. Here in Lisbon, it's been fantastic. We've had so much to see, so much to do, but we have to walk everywhere. And it's not the walking, it's the hills. It's the hills of Lisbon. I had no idea. I read something about it, but I was like, how bad could they be?
Beach trip, take 2. This time, we're gonna walk to the metro, take a subway all the way to the beach. We'll see if this works.
That was a crash course in Travel 101.
Tell them about going to the beach.
It went fine. Why? Why?
Tell them about our trip to the beach.
It was great. We got there and it was perfect.
Tell them how we got there.
We got on the tram and went.
Did we take a bus to the beach?
And there you go with this.
No, we did not.
Apparently.
We did not take a bus to the beach.
Apparently,
Do you know why?
when you look on... No, listen. Stop. Because apparently, when you look on Google Maps, it tells you to take the bus to the subway. Which is not the subway, it's the train. You don't need to take the bus. Don't go to the subway. Just go to the train station. I made a fool of myself in front of 2 bus drivers who didn't speak English, and I don't speak Portuguese, so I just spoke Spanish and hoped they'd understand. And then we finally got to the metro station, which we didn't need to be in, but luckily Megan figured out that the line that we needed was the railway. So we went to the railway.
We thought we bought 6 tickets.
We did not buy 6 tickets.
Turns out we bought 1 ticket.
We bought 1 ticket with 6 round trips on it, which did not work. But luckily, a high school girl helped us out. Someone with an unlimited train ticket swiped us through 6 times.
1 by 1.
Who spoke English, and we were like, thank you, we are so dumb, we are so sorry. And we finally made it to the beach. It was beautiful. It was picturesque. It was everything we thought it was going to be.
It was freezing.
Freezing. What do you think? Is it going to be cool?
cold?
It just gives me the shivers.
Ready? Set. I'm going in 2. Go. Go under.
How are you living life in here?
It was freezing
It was
cold. No one got in except for Colin. I jumped in once. Okay, great. You're not gonna go to the Lisbon beach and not jump in. We jumped in.
Let's stick our feet in.
Yeah, but I'm bailing my toes. Coldest beach I've ever been to.
Uh-huh. Good dive in.
So cold.
You gonna get in?
That is so cold.
Why not?
Because
Oh, let me see. Those are pretty.
Because we drug the kids through the awkward bus stops, talking to the drivers who were like, no, don't go here. Because we took them to the metro station, because we made them walk to the railway station, we got a McDonald's.
And their coffee was good.
Spending all this time trying to get here, we decided to go for something real easy and simple because we've had quite the travel day. So McDonald's it was. How is it?
good. Well,
Does it taste like American McDonald's?
The Thousand Island sauce is a little different, but
Okay.
not exactly.
The fries look kind of taste the same, don't they?
Yeah, the spice is the same.
If I look exhausted, it is because I am mentally drained after trying to get to this beach. But it all worked out, and the beach was very pleasant.
So, how was the beach?
Freezing.
It was so cold. It was so cold.
So cold.
On the way home from the beach, we did not make the same mistake, and we walked home. Up the hills, and down the hills, and up the hills, and down the hills.
But that's Lisbon,
and up
baby.
the hills, and down the hills.
That's Lisbon, baby. That's Lisbon.
So our walk home today kind of reminded me of St. Mary's Glacier in Colorado. You know, the one where we walked uphill like this the whole time.
We finally made it back. Josie is exhausted from sitting on Zach's shoulders.
I carried her too long. I just carried her way too long.
It's rough. Her legs fell asleep while sitting on my shoulders for too long. Poor thing. Poor thing.
But we went to a beach in Lisbon.
Which was awesome.
Check. Tomorrow we're going to Sintra, and tomorrow it's this guy's birthday.
Stay tuned for our next video, baby. Yay.
Not making it.
Yeah.